So maganda araw kabola. Sa video nito kabola, pag-uusapan na po natin kabola itong issue nga po ni Muwala Tautua kabola dun sa game 1. I know, no? Kabola medyo late na tayo, no? In reacting to this. Pero still, I hope you will listen to this kabola. And of course, we'll talk about the situation of Javi Gomez de Liano. So kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button kabola. So Muwala Tautua kabola, ano po, the game 1, natalo yung San Miguel Beam and they failed to accomplish that come from behind kabola against TNT in game 1 kabola. And one big issue was the sudden change kabola ng decision ng officials in a dunk attempt of Muwala Tautua kung saan pumasok nga po ito kabola after kabola na mag-bounce kabola yung bola, pero pumasok pa rin ito. Now the ruling is they nullified kabola itong attempt na ito. The explanation kabola was basketball interference kabola. So of course, actually, one of the biggest issue of a lot of fans, not only of fans of San Miguel Beermen, is the reality kabola of the timing. It was around just 6 seconds before the end of the game kabola. The timing was really bad in a way kabola, kasi nga po, of course, San Miguel Beermen in that last 44 seconds before that 6 seconds, when they heard that decision kabola, they run their plays kabola slowly kasi nga lamang sila. Diba kabola? Diba? They run it differently. Then now pumasok itong PBA technical committees kabola deciding that this is right. Yan yung isang malaking question mark. And I do believe that is valid kabola. Especially if we add the reality that TNT, the team kabola, yung kabiling team mismo, hindi sila nagreklamo. Di ba kabola? Walang ganong reklamo. And while walang reklamo kabola, then bigla-bigla yung officiating technical committee kabola, ilalabas yung condition. Take note nyo, even San Miguel Beermen will tell you this. Wala silang problema sa referee. Hindi yung referee yung issue dito. It's actually legally legit yung technical committee kabola, yung nag-decide dito kabola. So medyo nababaling na naman tayo sa mga referees. Actually nga, yung referees, hindi nila tinawagan yun agad as basketball interference, and they are claiming, especially the fans of San Miguel Beermen, that they read the right thing kabola. Now if we go to the statement kabola of the officiating kabola, there's a big question mark in how they interpret it kabola, di ba? Sabi kasi doon, basketball interference kapag na-touch po yung rim and it helps for the ball kabola to bounce in a way na pumasok siya. Now the issue is, which is in-state naman na paulit-ulit, nung na-touch ni Muwala kabola yung rim, nasa air na po yung bola kabola, di ba? Nasa air na yung bola. So it did not affect yung bola kabola, yung motion ng bola. And if that is the case, then dapat sana is ito po ay tinanggap as a basket kabola. Now, kung sa palagay nyo, ang talo lang dito sa San Miguel Beermen, in reality, talo din dito ang TNT. Bakit po? Kahit manalo sila ngayon ng Grand Slam, that Grand Slam will now be remembered with an asterisk. What's the asterisk? That shot by Muwala Tautua kabola, di ba? Especially game 1 pa lang to kabola, especially game 1 pa lang to. So again, it was a decision for me, big balls by the technical committee kabola, pero I do believe question mark yung interpretation nila ng kanilang sariling rule, and question mark din kabola yung timing. So overall, it was a bad decision kabola, di ba? It was a bad decision. Now may na-reveal kabola si Javi Gomez de Liano mismo, nagsabi kabola that he was supposed to be traded kabola, no? Pero unfortunately nga, ito nga pong interference currently nasa moratorium kasi nga po, they are already locked in to sell their franchise kabola, and they are not allowed kabola to make trades. And for me, that's good, diba? That's good kasi ang sabi dito kabola, sa Magnolia sana o San Miguel siya pupunta, and knowing na sa moratorium na sila kabola, I'm pretty sure sana that deal that they will get kabola will be bad, diba? Especially, imposible namang good yun, diba? Aanhin naman nila, diba kabola? Pero for me, dun sa mga willing na bumili kabola dito kay Terra Firma right now, this should be an added sweetener. Kasi it shows that Javi is willing to play in the PBA, but he wants to play for a legit team. So if you are a legit team kabola, hintayin nyo lang ng isang taon, babalik si Javi, and he will now play for you. Kababal sa play mo. Tama bang ginawa ng PBA sa Terra Firma? Kami na po sa baba.